A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Yes, I am talking about such a great leader, a personality who has played an important role in giving our country freedom from British rule. Yes, you all recognize rightly. I'm talking about our most beloved and respected Mahatma Gandhi ji. I feel privileged to speak on 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji, a boy born on 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, a small village in Gujarat, went on to become the biggest and greatest patriot of India. His efforts became inspiration for all. He is none other than Mahatma Gandhi, whose full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's Putlibai. During his childhood, he showed his special interest towards studies. At the age of 13, he was married to 14-year-old Kasturba. After completing matric, he went to London for further studies. He started his career as a lawyer. He went to South Africa for practice and there began his social life where he faced many problems. Many times he was insulted and tortured by the Englishmen because he was black in color. This incident had great impact on Gandhiji's life. So when he came back to India, he did many movements such as Dandi March, which is also known as Salt Satyagraha, Civil Disobedience Movement, Non-Cooperation Movement, Quit India Movement, and many more, and became very popular as Father of Nation. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, used to wear simple khadi kurta. In this context, I would like to share a small incident with all of you. During those days, children loved visiting Gandhiji. A little boy one day visited him and greatly distressed to see the way Gandhiji was dressed. He was thinking that such a great man, yet he doesn't even wear a shirt. The little boy finally asked, "Why don't you wear a kurta, Bapu?" Gandhiji then replied, "Where is the money, son? I'm very poor. I can't afford a kurta." The little boy felt very bad for Gandhiji. He became sad and asked that my mother seems well. I will ask her to stitch a kurta for you. Gandhiji said, "Can your mother make many kurtas? Because I have a very large family and it wouldn't be right for me to be the only one to have a kurta. Or to wear the one," the boy said. "Tell me how much do you need? I will ask my mother to make as many as you want. Just tell me 1, 2, 3, how many you need." Gandhiji thought for a moment and then said, "That I have a family of 40 crore brothers and sisters. It wouldn't be right for me to be the only one to wear the kurta. Can your mother make this much? Kurtas for all of them." The boy became very thoughtful at this question. 40 crore brothers and sisters? Yes, Gandhiji was right. After all, the whole nation was his family. He inspired all of us with the civil rights and the freedom movements all over the world as everything has its end. The most famous proponent of non-violence himself met a violent end. On 30th January 1948, Gandhiji was assassinated by a Hindu nationalist called Nathuram Godse. His last words were, "Hey Ram." This day was filled with sadness and sorrow. But let's not regret that today Gandhiji is not with us. His teachings, his efforts still has an impact in today's modern era. Gandhiji inspired all of us. His life is an inspiration for all. Gandhiji was a great personality. I know that my words are not enough to speak about his values and deeds, but we as a future of our country can contribute ourselves by living our life with the teachings of Gandhiji for the growth and freedom of our country, and let's make it a successful nation in the future. I salute to such a great leader who has played an important role in giving our country independence. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.